Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
So today we're back at Pigeon Forge at Dollywood and we're gonna do some exploring.
So come with us.
Okay, so we've got a few things planned for you guys today. Actually, this evening. Number one, we're gonna go ride the Mystery Mine because we absolutely love that coaster. And then we're gonna go to Granny Ogle's kitchen and eat dinner there. And then later on tonight, we've got the Summer Nights drone and fireworks show that they show up at the Wildwood Grove. So we're gonna show you guys some of that as well. So we are standing outside of the Mystery Mine, as you guys saw in the intro, and as another car goes by up above me. We are gonna go hop on this ride and we will see you guys after. Okay, our wait for Mystery Mine is 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, that is such a great ride. That might be my favorite coaster here. That or Wild Eagle, I don't know.
I think this is my favorite.
You got a double inversion, it's pretty awesome.
You literally feel like you are hanging out of the seat upside down, and that's a lot of fun.
The hang time is insane. So now we're gonna go over to Granny Ogle's ham and beans, not kitchen like I said earlier.
It's pertinent.
Yeah,
like
so we're gonna go get something to eat over there, and we will see you guys when we get there. Guys, I want to just reiterate, do not miss out on this ride. It is inside and outside, and it's got drops as well. It is a ton of fun, and trains go fast. Trains are like a single car, as you can see right there. It is just totally worth it, okay?
4 trains running.
Yes, they have 4 trains running at a single time. Tons of fun, and you climb a mine shaft in there, just so you know. So anyway, heading to Granny Ogle's.
All right, guys, so Dollywood is actually expanding their park and adding an additional roller coaster, and I believe it's going to be called Big Bear. So make sure that you give this a call and you can hear about the missing bear that's been running around Dollywood.
And if you guys have any ideas what that name might be called, go ahead and put it in the comments below and let us know. We will also show you the area that it's going into when we go up to Wildwood Grove, when we go to watch the fireworks and drone show. So. Oh no, we messed up our timing. We did not know that they closed at 6:30.
Nothing says it on the app either.
I know, that's unfortunate. But we're gonna have to find somewhere else to go. So our plan B is at Miss Lillian's Smokehouse, which is right down the road. We're gonna go in here, we're gonna get us some Tennessee barbecue. So see you inside. Okay, so here are their items. Ash is getting the poor man's burnt ends, and I think I'm gonna go with the smoked sausage. So let you guys see that when we get it. Okay, so here's my smoked sausage that I got with some baked beans, fries, and some cornbread. And here are Ashley's burnt ends that she got with potato salad and baked beans.
Another thing to think about is that some restaurants include your sodas with it, so just pay attention or ask, so then that way you don't think that you have to get water if you want to actually get soda because you're paying for it.
There you go, free BA Adventures tip. Pre-tips video of Dollywood. So anyway, Ash gonna bite into her burnt ends now.
Oh, it's so good.
Oh, it's good.
Really hungry too.
She is also really hungry. I'm gonna take a small bite of this smoked sausage real quick. That's pretty good.
You buy this?
Yeah, I'll try those. Those aren't bad. Those are really good.
Smothered in barbecue sauce.
Okay, so we're gonna sit down here. We're gonna enjoy this meal, and we'll talk to you more about it when we get done. Okay, so that was the smokehouse, and I gotta say, pretty good food.
It was good.
Yeah. So it was barbecue, like we showed you guys, and honestly, I gotta hand it to Ash for this one because she is the frugal queen here. So you take this one away.
It was $27 for both of our meals, which included soda with it. I think that was like the biggest bang for your buck restaurant we've ate at.
Yeah, actually. Like we didn't even eat all of our food. We were like stuffed. And honestly, like Ash said, more bang for your buck. And that was without a season pass.
Yeah.
We just have regular tickets here this weekend, or this week.
Yeah.
So we don't have season passes here, obviously, because we go to Silver Dollar City. But
I will say though, like to me, it's just like barbecue. We have a lot of barbecue joints in Ozarks,
Right.
so it's to me. It wasn't the worst meal we had, but it wasn't the best either.
no. But it wasn't bad barbecue.
No. Don't get me wrong. It's just I don't care for barbecue that much.
Right. It's everywhere in Missouri and at Silver Dollar City. So, but still, it was a plan B.
Yeah.
And a happy plan B.
Yep.
So, anyway, we are gonna head up to the Grove. Wildwood Grove, yes. And they have a dance party up there prior to the
Drone and
fireworks show. So we are going to go up there and we
There's so many words
there
here.
are a lot of words. Like,
Titles
mouthful. It's like a Fall Out Boy song. So anyway, we will see you guys when we get up there to Wildwood Grove. Okay, so like we were talking about earlier with the poster we showed you, here's the fence in the area up here at Wildwood Grove where that new coaster's going in. And down here where Ash is standing, they've got a sign that says things are about to get big. So there's probably going to be a coaster up here, something. If you guys know, post it in the comments. And if you guys call that number, let us know if you got a park ranger talking about looking for a big bear. Anyway, join the search 2023. So we made it up here to the area where they are having the dance party up here at Wildwood Grove. And back behind here, over the top of that waterfall, is where that new ride was that we were just, or is going to be, that we just talked about. This is a very neat family-oriented area. And I think the drone fireworks show is going to take off right over there. We're not 100% sure, so stick with us till then.
We're going to pump it up twice. You're going to go punch, punch, other side, punch, punch. From there, you're going to step to your right and clap. And you step to your left and clap.
Wow.
So from the top again, that's punch, 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 a punch.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Let that igloo cooler mark your piece of paradise. Summer nights, everybody's feeling sexy. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. 'Cause I need little love and little sympathy. You show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Sugar, yes please, won't you come and put it down on me, babe?
So what an amazing firework drone show. What do you guys
feel
think?
like just the drone show is amazing.
Yes.
Don't even put the fireworks in there. I'm good. Like
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Never seen anything like that before in my life.
it's really
pretty-
cool.
And I've seen plenty of fireworks. Never seen a drone show. That was neat.
It was
and the fact that they
special.
integrated, yeah, I know. The fact that they integrated them. Hey, and I know that this is probably not the only time that Dollywood does a show like that. So get here when you can to see that, see something like that. If you want to come for summer nights, if not, they may have another drone show at a different time of the year.
Yeah.
You know, they may have a different time that they do it as well. And if you see a drone fireworks show, don't miss out on that.
So worth
It's
it.
absolutely worth it. So this is not our last Dollywood video, but it is for this trip. 3 days here. It was pretty awesome, honestly. We had a great time. Reminds us of Silver Dollar City, just a little bit different, because you know we're Silver Dollar City goers. But this was awesome. This was great. We love this theme park. We will be back. We will be coming back to it, and we hope that you guys come too. Seriously.
Definitely.
Seriously, you guys do not need to miss this theme park. So, that being said, for you to not miss any of our Silver Dollar City or any other theme park videos, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
Bell notification button.
so that you guys don't miss any of our adventures. So with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.